Hi there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel on San Miguel de Allende's Secrets. And today we're going to be talking about altars as they're used for Day of the Dead. As always, if you need more information in the descriptive box below, there's links to various websites, including Amazon.com, if you wish to purchase any of the books in the best-selling book series, San Miguel de Allende's Secrets. The indigenous made figures from corn leaves or wood from poplar and other trees found near where the Allende Dam is today. These toys were placed with a tole, a corn and chocolate drink, on altars designed to entice the children's return. Listen on November 1st for church bells and firecrackers going off through the night to lure the little ones home. In addition, handmade toys and other items for children are displayed. These toys are left behind because the point is not for the lost souls to take the toys with them, but to leave them behind as offerings for their family and pleasant memories. November 2nd is All Souls Day, celebrating the faithful departed. Memorial altars for dead adults are found in cemeteries, on public displays, and in private homes. The altars are an odd mixture of pagan and Catholic beliefs designed to welcome the dead back momentarily. Normally, altars have 7 layers for the 7 points of transformation during death. The top level is going to be an image of the saint or virgin that helped the deceased reach God. The second level is left blank for the lost souls of purgatory. Then there's a layer of salt used to purify the body because it's been a long trip to bring you back from the afterworld. Next come a layer with the Day of the Dead bread that's in the shape of bones and femurs and skulls, with some red sugar water running through it. That represents Christ's blood. Then there's going to be the favorite meal for the deceased. Never try to eat as leftovers the meal left out because the spirit captures the essence of the meal, removing all the smell and flavor. Then there's often a photographic tribute to the deceased, or sometimes people don't put a photo but rather a mirror to remind the deceased that they no longer have a body and cannot return to it. And then lastly, there's a cross that redeems the soul from guilt and is a reminder of God's constant guidance. Marigolds are center stage on altars. Prior to the arrival of the Spanish, marigolds were the flower of grief, known for its weeping. Droplets gather in the flower during the night and drip off like tears when it opens in the morning. The Spanish insisted the native marigolds were a living memorial to Mary, called Our Lady's Dowry, and later shortened to Mary's Gold, or in English, marigolds. The flower's duality of grief mixed with joy and poverty linked with abundance was appealing to the indigenous and heightened the flower's popularity with Day of the Dead celebrations. Plus, the marigold's 365 petals represented every day in the year of a good life. Alongside the marigolds are simmering herbs of basil, rosemary, chamomile, and laurel. The incense smokes indicates the passing of life for the departed and guides them back to heaven. Incense also rids the altar of any bad spirits while cleansing the spirit of the deceased from their long trip. A paper chain of purple and orange signifies life and death, mixing the church's royal purple with the indigenous orange, meaning for death. The bright paper flags signify thanks for happiness of life, while reminding us that the paper-thin line between life and death. The flags also serve as a curtain to keep out other less savory spirits that may be out and about this night. The white paper also emits the angels that guides the souls for children that need protection on their journey to and from the altar. There may be sugar skulls, and those represent the deceased, often with their name spelled across the forehead. Skulls often reside in threes to represent the Holy Trinity, with God's being the biggest skull. Lastly, there will be sayings or poems featuring about deceased's friendships, work, and politics. Today, private altars are normally at home. Outside the home, it's customary to place altars at cemeteries on the deceased's grave. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below, and you'll get near daily notifications of new videos as they come out here on the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel.